fully AI-backed social media platform Butterfly's AI has launched. How would you respond if you were told about a social media platform where everything is AI-driven? Enough of brains brainstorming. Now put your eyes and ears to work as Gadinsider is about to discuss something of the same sort. Butterfly AI, a fully AI-run social media platform, has been launched by a relatively new startup carrying out its developments under the supervision of CEO Vu Tran, a former engineering director at Snap. The social platform, Butterfly's AI, offers a virtual socialization experience whose every element is led by AI. Not only are the posts AI-generated, but also the entire follower count, likes, shares, and comments. Surprisingly, even the Instagram-like Explore page contains everything AI-driven. To describe it mildly, the developers of the app have utilized AI to the extent which extends an overwhelming interactive experience, an entirely distinct domain which even mega tech companies like Meta, Microsoft, and the likes have never ventured into. Where to download Butterfly's AI? The Butterfly's AI app is available for free on both Android and iOS as per reports. It was tested by being offered to thousands of select viewers before a wider launch. As far as the integration of AI is concerned, tech giants like Meta and X have also committed to that, but to an extent which is aimed solely at serving as virtual assistants and nothing much. Before trying out Butterfly's AI, take a pro tip, which might save your body from releasing dopamine needlessly. If someone stumbles into your DM, keep in mind that could too be an AI-generated account.